I will tell you, then you will understand. What is this? So this is our development environment. This is our testing environment, and this is our production environment. So you created a branch called as a future 1 to 3 branch. Now you merge the code to the, so what is that branch? Development branch. Dev branch, QA branch, and prod branch. Okay. And we have a main also. What is that? So this is the main. What this branch is? This branch is main branch. Okay. So whatever you developed the code to future 1 to 3 dev. So from dev to integration, you need to create the MR. You need to create the MR. Okay. So in the main, you have already in the whatever the dev code is there in the, that dev code will be there in the main. So how you can merge that one? Now the changes into the future 1 to 2. So sorry. So development branch, from development branch to main branch, we need to merge the MR. Now future branch having a main 1 to 3. Okay. Or something like I want to merge it to dev, but I forgot to merge it. So I directly merge it to the main. Okay, this is the way. So again, the changes need to go to the QA environment from main to QA, and from main to prod. Okay, from main to QA and main to prod. So these changes are not yet merged to the QA and production. Again, so there is a issue in the production environment. There is a issue in the production environment, something like there is a bug. So how we can resolve this bug? Dhananjay? Immediate action we need.
Yeah. We
So how
change
we
the
can?
feature.
So again,
Then we
so
change
you
in
can
the
create.
feature
Yeah.
branch.
Yes. No, we
Then
could
move
not
in the
change the
dev.
future branches. So we already
Yes, yes.
that is deployed to the main, right? So there is a hotfix branch. What is that? Hotfix branch.
Hotfix
So
branch.
this branch, so we need to push that code to dev, then to main,
Dev to
then
main,
to
and to
QA,
QA, and
then to prod. But
prod.
in the main, what are the codes are there? In the main, so we have a future and bug code is there. We have two codes are there, right?
Yes.
So two branches codes is there in the main branch. But I don't want to deploy this feature branch. I want to deploy only the hotfix branch. So what you can do? So from here, right, you already merged this to hotfix branch to main. So here, so you can cherry pick. What is that? Cherry pick. Cherry pick is nothing but a specific commit or a specific branch merged to the QA and prod. QA and prod. So if you are merging from main to, so if you are merging from cherry pick, if you are merging from main to QA, main to MR, it will comes to two changes. It will come two changes, right? It will come two changes. But I don't want these two changes. I want to deploy only the hotfix changes. So what you can do, you can do the cherry pick. So cherry pick, if you want to commit a particular changes to the particular repository, you can use the cherry pick. Cherry pick also one type of merge request, but it will cherry pick only the the particular branch changes to particular particular branch, particular branch to particular branch. Okay. So for example, this is the changes in the main. Okay. So again, in the DS6, I'm creating a new branch here from the main branch. So what is that? Mhm, that hotfix. What is the branch? hotfix branch. The code you created the hotfix branch and you added a code new file. What is the file name? Hotfix.txt. What is that? Hotfix.txt. For example, this is the text. So I want to merge these changes immediately to the production branch, right? So for example, so what are the branches we have? Hotfix branch. So again, what is the procedure from hotfix branch to? We need to merge it to branch. No, merge request. So I want to create a merge request. What is this? I want to create a new merge request. Create a new merge request. So hotfix to main. What is this? Hotfix to main. Okay. Create a merge request. Now, so this is a revert. Revert is nothing but it will change it will revert the changes from the main to hotfix branch. Cherry pick is nothing but cherry pick is one type of merge request. It will create the new merge request, particular changes. These changes only I want to deploy to the another branch. For that purpose, you can use the cherry pick command. I will tell you. So I'm creating a again merge request. So I want to deploy from main to, for example, main to, what is that, production environment. So if I merge from main to production environment, how many changes it will go? Dhananjay?
One hotfix.
No, no. So we already merged future branch changes and
Yes, yes.
we
Three
already
changes.
changed. Yeah, I will show you that. You see here. What is that? So future 1 to 3 also there, hotfix also there.
Hotfix
Okay.
also there.
So here you see we have a how many changes? Two changes. Okay. So we need to test it in the development environment. Now the changes are merged. Okay. So how many changes we have? Two changes. I don't want to create. Yeah, shit. So in the production, I will revert the changes. Yeah. How you can revert the changes? You can revert it from the which branch? So this is the production branch. I want to revert the changes from the production branch. I don't want to go the future branch changes under how you can do. So you can do the
Hot,
revert. So it will revert the changes from the production batch. Okay. Now you see approve and merge. Now you see the changes are reverted. Reverted is nothing but red. Okay. Now it changes. The changes are reverted. So what you can go to the merge request. On top of you created this merge request, right? Hotfix to main. Okay. I want to cherry pick these changes to. Cherry pick means whatever the changes are there, right? These changes only we can match. So cherry pick to the production. So cherry pick to the production branch. So cherry pick, you see. So the cherry pick, this cherry pick will grow only the hotfix branch changes. Let's see. You see hotfix changes. So this will go to the which branch, guys? Production branch. Now you understood cherry pick, how you can do the cherry pick?
yes.
Understood? Cherry pick is nothing but you want to merge a particular changes to a particular branch. You can choose, you can create the cherry pick. Now it's cherry pick. Okay. So what are the changes? The changes is hotfix.txt. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. So this is nothing but a cherry pick. This is nothing but this is used to selectively pick up the certain commits and add them to the master branch. Now we added them to the not only a master branch, the other branches also. Create a test branch and create a few commits. Git checkout type and be text. These are the commits. And to bring only C and E commits to the main, so git checkout master, git cherry pick commit IDs. So in the local, we can do same like. So in the remote, we can do this same like. Understood? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you understood the get cherry pick, and reverting, resetting, reverting, forking, and right, and the rebase. You understood the rebase and link between local to remote and git stash, git cloning, right? So these are the basic commands. These are the basic commands. Understood? Yeah.
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to reach out to me, so having any doubts, you can reach out to, yeah, you can reach out to, this is my mail ID. This is the mobile number.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep. Thank you so much, Dhananjay. All the best. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Now
much.
you understood, right? Basic level of
Yeah,
Git.
yeah, yeah. I understand.